this box, local. Okay, I'm not going to say what it is. I have this box that we received, and Ziyaad and Isa haven't seen it as yet. I think once they turn around, I'm going to tell them about it. So, okay, Ziyaad, turn around.
What?
Okay, wait, don't touch it as yet. Okay, so you can see what it says.
No, we can't. You can see what it says.
Because it's on my side. Okay.
Local is what? Isa? Lekker. There's Pretoria, Josie, Dubs. Nabihah.
That's Durban.
Yeah, Cape Town.
Okay, so this box,
It's a bag,
okay,
like suitcase.
all right. So this box we received it yesterday. Maybe I'm still not going to tell you. You're going to guess what it is.
Okay.
So it looks like a suitcase. It has that little handle there in the front with that little thing. So now you're going to open that little thing, and I'm just going to get your reaction
Okay.
of you opening it.
Okay.
So
Do you want to come and sit here so you can see?
Okay.
Okay. We are gonna open. Oh.
Everyone, welcome to South Africa's very own lekker local Scrabble. It's gonna be nah.
Hey.
that's what I wanted to see.
A vuvuzela and a. Ooh, it's a local is lekker Scrabble. It's a South African edition of Scrabble. How do we take it out?
There's a ribbon.
Oh, is that
Cool.
okay?
Wow.
Wow.
So cool.
Okay. Scrabble. Oh gosh. Scrabble South Africa, a quiet twist on the Makoya word game. Scrabble South Africa features exciting new gameplay and a list of SA's most flavorful slang. So invite the chommies to your posie for a lekker jaw.
So we can write posie and chommies.
So you can write all South African. This is so cool. Laduma, how's it? Ayoba, with local is lekker cards and South African word list. Okay, so there is a Scrabble South Africa. Local is lekker notepad. Oh, to write words, Isa.
I want to do that.
Yeah, I know you do want to do that. And there's a little Scrabble South Africa USB.
You always want one.
Yeah, I always want one. And then I think this is where the sound was coming out from.
Nope.
Oh, no,
There's
there's it
where the
there.
sound
Oh,
was
there's a
coming
little
from.
speaker there. Oh, so this is Andy Cartwright. Oh, we like Andy Cartwright stuff. It's a little vuvuzela pin.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's like a stand. Oh, what? Oh, no, yeah, it is a stand. That's so cute.
It's a pen in the shape of a vuvuzela that's also a stand. That is so cool. What does it say on it?
Scrabble.
Wait, just don't go too fast. Okay.
What is that for?
This is just a stand. Okay. So that's from Andy Cartwright. And then we got some snacks, Isa. What is that? Simba, creamy cheddar, tennis biscuits,
And I like this.
Ultra Mel,
And maybe I want.
Omar rusks,
Maybe I can have.
Safari fruit flakes,
Maybe I can
Nestle
have these.
peppermint crisp,
You say so.
and Oras. All the South African flavors. Flavor flaves.
Sorry.
So we're going to enjoy these snacks while we're playing the new local is lekker Scrabble, the first South African local Scrabble board game. So thank you to Scrabble and Mattel for this. We can't wait. This is our kind of game. This is I love ZA. I'm Ziyaad. This is Isa and Nabihah's behind the camera.
Oh, yeah.
And follow us on iloveza.com on our website. You can follow us on social media at iloveza.com, hashtag iloveza, heart and South African flag, hashtag after Fajr grind, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And we love Zede. Is that right?